Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're gonna put the side skirts on my 97 Mustang GT. Okay guys, so you got your side skirts. These are real Saleen side skirts, okay? So basically I'm gonna test mount them on here, but you're basically gonna put two-way tape here and also in the front, okay? Right here, that gets two-way tape, okay? You're gonna put a couple of screws on the side in the front and a couple of screws on this side, okay? Now the middle, this part, you need to drill a few holes to match the holes under here in the pinch wheel. See those holes? And that gets, the stock ones just have pushing clips, so you're gonna have to match those holes, drill a couple of holes in this. The door sill, now I bought these used and it came with these holes, but it looked like somebody drilled those holes. I don't know, I can't see Saleen. They didn't drill holes for this, why would they drill holes for the other stuff? So on the original one, on the stock one, you got these holes here on the door sill, and they get like these, they got these T clips or something they push in there. And let me show you the problem with this. These are the clips I'm talking about. These are the ones that go in the pinch wheels, and these are the ones that were in the door sill. So the problem with these are, first of all, the stock ones had like a hole here, like a slit. You just push them in, clip them in place. This is why I think somebody just drilled these holes. So the problem with this is, see this space right here? This is too thick. The urethane on this is too thick to fit in here, so I gotta figure out something with that. The instructions that I've seen for Saleen, they want you to drill holes and put screws, and I think that's gonna look like crap. Anyway, next step is get some 80 grit sandpaper and sand down this a little bit so the tape will stick to it, okay? So double-sided tape is gonna go here, okay? And see how it's raised? This part is raised. That's the part that's gonna go on, okay? Alright guys, clean this up, and then after that, wipe it down with some alcohol to get rid of some whatever grease and stuff is in here. So after you clean that up, you're gonna spray it with some of this adhesive from promoter, and you're just gonna spray every part that's gonna get tape, okay? So I tape some of this so it doesn't get in the paint, but you're just gonna spray it. One light coat, and then let it sit there for 10 minutes or whatever, and then reapply another coat. Alright, I'm gonna try to use these clips. These are like the same ones that they use for the pinch weld down here. So see if they work for the door sill. Alright guys, I just put the clips on here. It's just put a little piece of tape behind it so it stays in place. So I'm only gonna put 3 for now. If this works, I'm just gonna put the rest in and get my hand under there and try to put it in. So I'm gonna rip off the tape a little bit just so I have room to like pull it out. I'll do the same thing with the rest of it. Alright. So I'm just gonna line up these clips. And then pull off the tape. Alright, so I'm just gonna peel this back a little bit, try to get the tape off of here. Alright guys, so you have to come in here and put these clips in there, whatever's missing. Gotta get your hand under there and feel for them. Alright. Oh, got clips. So we just gotta drill some holes in the bottom by the pinch weld. Alright guys, got the side piece on. Make sure it goes with the body line right here. See this one, the filler piece is gonna go right here. So same thing here, make sure it goes with the body line up. Okay, so I put 2 screws in the fender well and 2 screws in the front over here, and I just got to put the filler piece in it. So to do that, we're gonna again clean it up and put some of that adhesive promoter stuff on it, and then we're gonna put the 2-way tape on it and slap it on. Alright guys, just peel off, just leave it a little bit like this, don't peel off the whole thing. And then we're just gonna, once we put it on there and place it where we want it, we're just gonna rip it all off, okay? Alright, you want to make sure you don't get it too far forward here, because you want room when you open the door. You don't want it to rub. Okay. Alright guys, that's the finished product. Looks pretty good. So don't use the T-clips, okay? Use the 5/16 clips. They work a lot better and it's a lot less work, okay? This is what it looks like on the side, no screws. Now if this thing happens to come apart, I'm gonna have to use screws. So check with me in a month or so. I'm gonna let you know how it's holding up, but otherwise it looks good. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.